artists, today we are going to get an image from the internet to inspire our paper mache mask. So here's how you're going to do that. First thing you're going to do is click on your Google Chrome and then click on Google Classroom. Then you're going to find whichever one that says art in it. So this one says Schutz Art 4th. So whichever name of your homeroom teacher and then art, click on that. And then there should only be one assignment in there. It says Schutz's Class Paper Mache Mask Images, and click on that. Then you're going to click on the assignment right here. Okay. And then you will find your class number, the number that you line up on in art, that's your number. So let's pretend my number is 24. I'm going to scroll down to number 24. And I'm going to start off by just adding my name to this text box. I'll put my first name just to model it for you. And now I can search for my image that I want to use. You are going to go over here to the right-hand side. Let's see if I can zoom this in. And it's the one that looks like this, where you're searching for stock and web. Okay, click on that. And then when it says search all stock, where it says all, you're gonna click on that arrow and you're going to click on stock images, okay? Because right now it's going to give us things like GIFs and things that are moving like that. We cannot be using that. We need to use stock images. Click on that. And then you can search up here in the search bar for whatever you want your mask to be about. I'm going to do a rabbit. So I'm just going to scroll down and see, which would be good. Would this be a good one? No, not really, because it doesn't show many details. It shows like this girl holding, like I don't need the girl, right? I just need the rabbit, and I really just need the rabbit's face. So I'm looking for a really good one of a rabbit. Ooh, this one might be helpful. So I can click on it and drag it over like that. Okay, if it's too big, you know how to click and drag to resize it, right? And if you are comfortable cropping the image, you could crop it, because really, I don't need this grass. I just want the face to be nice and big. And you can even get more than one image, so that's helpful. Let me see, what else could be a good one? I have one that's kind of from the side, so it would be good to get one from the front. Now this one is pretty far away, but I wonder if I crop it, if it would be helpful. So I'm going to drag it over, and the crop tool's up here. And I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. I don't need the body, we're just doing the face. So trim it up, and then you can make that face so much bigger. Right, like that. Click and drag, make it big. So I can make my rabbit look more like this, more fuzzy. I can make it look more like this, but this is helpful because I see the rabbit from the side, I see the rabbit from the front. That is helpful. And I could even squeeze one more in there if I wanted to. Once you get to this point, then you're ready to sketch. Please do not mess with anyone else's slide. If you have an accident and you need to undo something, then go up here to edit, undo. Okay, you know that. If you need help, ask the Ask Me expert, and if they need help, they'll ask me. Have fun.